Hello, today I'm going to show you some of the important Linux command line arguments that can be applicable on Termux. The first command so far is the date command. Just type in date. By default, the date command will show you the date of the day you are logged in, and the time, the year, and the time zone you are located. Another command is the cal command. The cal command. Cal is for calendar, so by default the cal command will show you the date and the year and the month you are logged in when performing the command. Another command is the who am I command. Who am I? The who am I command will show you your user ID or the name of the user who is logged in. Another command is the which command. Which command can be used to locate the path where a program is located. For example, we can use it to search for bash. Just type in which bash. As you can see, it's located in data.com.termux, files, user, bin, and then bash. Another command is the clear command. The clear command clears the screen on any terminal. As you can see, the screen has now been cleared. Another command is the top command. The top command shows the graphical view of all running processes, CPU processes. As you can see, these are the running processes. To exit the top command, just press Q. As you can see, we are back to our prompt. Another command is the du. The du command will show you the disk usage in directories. You can see it shows the home directory as 20, the storage directory has 4, Termux directory has 12. The df command also shows the file system disk usage. As you can see, this is what the df command will show you. Another command is the free command. The free command displays amount of free and used memory. As you can see, we have the used total memory, used, and the free memory. Another command is the cat command. The cat command can be used to search, to view information contained in a file. We also have, you can use the cat command to view CPU info. For example, use cat proc CPU info. This command will show you more information about the CPU, the hardware, the version of the CPU, the architecture, the partitions, implementer, features, the number of CPU processors, and so on. Another command is using cat is the cat proc meminfo. This command will show you information about the memory. So you can see you choose the total memory 939,056 kilobytes, free memory, available memory, buffers, cached memory, subcache, active, inactive, active, unevictable, memlocked, high total, high free, dirty, write back, kernel stack. There is a lot of information you can get from that command. Another command is the id command. The id command will print your user id. As you can see, this is the information that the id command prints out. Another command is the uname command. The uname command will show you information about the system you are logged in. As you can see, my system is Linux. Then if you want to view any of the hidden details about the kernel version of the system and any other system information, use uname. As you can see, Linux localhost kernel 4.4.83 plus, the date and the CPU version is ARM v7L on Android. Another command is the echo command. The echo command is just like the print command. It is used to show to print out the information on the screen. So you can use it to print hello world echo, hello world. As you can see, it has printed the word hello world on the screen. Another command is the grep command, which is used to search for. You can use the pkg command with the more command, pkg list all. Then we pipe the output through the more command so that we can view it one page at a time. As you can see, you just press the back key to go to the next page. Another command is the less command. To exit, just press Q. The less command will allow you to scroll forward and backward, and it's just an improved version of the more command. You can use it again with the pkg command, pkg list all. Then we pipe the output through the more command, the less command I mean. As you can see, you can now scroll up, forward and backwards. Again, you press Q to exit. Another command is the cd directory. Another command is the cd command. The cd command stands for change directory. Cd command can be used to change from your working directory to change a working directory. For example, we can change our directory to storage. As you can see, we are now in our internal storage directory, and from here you can do anything. Again, you can go back to your home directory using the cd command. Another command is the pwd command. The pwd